Quantum Touch 200 Cleaning. Clean and flush. There are two programs. Flushing is the automatic rinsing of hoses and drains with hot water. In addition to flushing, cleaning also includes cleaning the cooling box, exterior and drip tray. Cleaning. A cleaning symbol appears in the display on preset days. You can also start the cleaning program, cleaning or flushing, in the maintenance menu. All steps are shown in the display. Press Enter to execute an action or press Stop to abort the program. Press the user menu icon in the display. Press the settings icon. Press Maintenance. Press Start Cleaning. The cleaning program step by step. Take the product packs out of the cooling compartment. Clean the cooling compartment. Use a brush to clean the dosing spouts openings. Dry the cooling compartment with a paper towel. Place the product packs back in the cooling compartment. Pull down the mixing console. Pull the red lever towards you to release the mixer unit. Turn the mixing bowl counterclockwise, and take the mixer bowl out. Soak the mixing bowl for 15 minutes in warm water with a food-grade cleaning agent. Rinse the mixing bowl under a running tap, and dry. Place the clean mixing bowl back into the machine, and close the mixing console. Place a container, with a capacity of at least 3 liters, on the drip tray under the spouts. Press Enter to continue and press Enter again to start flushing. Remove the container and empty it when the flushing procedure is completed. Caution, the water in the container is very hot. Clean the exterior and empty and clean the drip tray. Place the clean drip tray back. Press the home icon or the arrow icon. Press the user button or arrow to exit the menu. A cleaning tablet is used when the machine delivers drinks with milk or cacao. Insert a cleaning tablet in the mixing bowl when prompted, before flushing. The machine is now ready for use. Enjoy your cup of coffee. Thank you for your attention.